So we got Adidas and Pharrell. Once again, they bring you the Holi pack. So the Holi pack commemorates a yearly festival in India that celebrates love, color, and peace. Of course, that would be Pharrell and Adidas. Let's check this out. What's up, guys? It's Fresco here once again, and I like long walks on the beach. Now, we're gonna take another Stadium Goods unboxing look at the Pharrell NMD Trail Holi. So the Holi pack that has been recently released by Adidas features a variety of different shoes that is inspired by the Holi festival in India, which celebrates colors, love, happiness, and a variety of just positive things. But we have these shoes here. We just got them into Stadium. And of course, we're gonna take a quick unboxing look. You guys, look to my immediate left. This is also a part of the Holi pack. This one just recently released. Shouts out to BBC, our neighbors across the street. This one just recently released, and this is the blank canvas, if I'm not mistaken. The blank canvas part of the Holi pack. But today, we're gonna take a look at the tie-dye, the powder dye, version of the Holi pack. So let's take a look at the box top here. We've got the hue right here. 2018, similar to most Pharrell Human Race boxes that you're gonna find. So let's open these up. Yes, and please feel free to like and share all of our videos right here on Stadium Goods YouTube. But the Pharrell Human Race powder dye Holi pack. So this is just the Human Race shoe out of the pack. I believe the pack comes with 4 different shoes in this powder dye colorway. So let's take a look at the left foot here. We've got the prime knit upper throughout. So it features a variety of different colors. As I alluded to before, this is the powder dye silhouette. So you'll see a variety of different colors throughout the upper. On the inner panels, you see it's like slightly more purple and pinks. And if we get to the outer panels, you'll see more green colors here and a variety of different ones in between. As we get to the midsole, full boost throughout the midsole, common to most NMDs and to most Human Race NMDs. We've got the 2 hits here, which feature the purple along with the purple caging on the side. Take a look at the outsole really quick. So this is a trail version of the Human Race, so it features the grips throughout the bottom. Unlike the original versions of the Human Race, which is more of like a flat boost outsole, this one just has the trail grips throughout the bottom. Features these laces, so it comes with 2 sets of laces. We got this green color here that features 3M hits throughout. I don't know if you guys can see that, but the green colorway on with the 3M hits throughout. Then we have the pink peachish colored laces, also feature the 3M. So at the lace tips, you'll see the 3 stripes on both of the lace tips. Now, I do need you guys' help with something. So on the upper of this shoe, on the upper of the right one, you'll see the hue. And on the upper of the left one, I do not know what this is, and I don't want to quote this wrong. So please leave in the comments and let me know what it is. I looked it up on Google, couldn't find it. And also, just so you know, the laces are featured on the left foot of the shoe. Also, another really cool feature in the upper, we've got some embroidered stitching right here that goes straight across the top. We've got the peach hit here on the tongue. Take a look at the insert. We've got like a neon greenish color here, but the peach lining runs throughout. We've got the Pharrell Williams on the back tab. The logo in green. It says Pharrell Williams right here. Right foot features the Adidas. And we have these available here at Stadium Goods. We're located on 47 Howard Street, Manhattan, Soho area. Please feel free to stop by. We're open 12 to 8 every day. Please feel free to download the new Stadium Goods app. It's available on iOS and Android. Follow us on all social media platforms at Stadium Goods. So that's Instagram, Pinterest, Google+, Twitter, Snapchat, all at Stadium Goods. And last but not least, if you have any more questions, please feel free to visit stadiumgoods.com. We're available 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. I'm Fresco. Salute.